Okay, after we do the pre-treatment on t-shirt, we can start to do the calibration for the color offset to be sure the white ink and the color ink print on the same position to prevent the white ink print overlap. We need to do a calibration print. First, we open the focus control software and we choose the file and find out installation folder. Picture print and test print. Adjust the picture and load to the system. Open and we print this picture first. Before you print, you must be sure the gap between the carriage, print head and the medium are safe. So we can move the flybit, move the print head out of home position and check the gap again. The gap between the print head and the t-shirt is between 3 mm. For safety, we move the carriage backside to the sensor position on the middle and to the rear. Then we press up. Let it automatically stop. Then we press carriage back to home position. Then we go print. Before calibration, we need to do some setting. First, we open the white ink and the speed we choose normal and print selection choose first to left. White ink open and then we go to attribute and choose the white ink on button and the white ink repeat counter 1 for test first, and then we go to start and also set the margin. And right now the palette we put on the machine is for the bigger one, 40 times 50 centimeter. So we choose 800吧，中的。We choose the middle. Right now we put the middle palette on the machine. Then we choose middle. We choose the middle for the palette. And then we go to print, test print. If it's not working like this, first then you check place X home. Because the cat is not at the home position, will not print. Then we choose print. Then machine start print. First print white ink. We must be sure the color ink on the top of the white ink is the same position. Right now we print is the test print picture to do the calibration of the white and the color print head calibration. And then we can see the white ink, the top color ink is on the same position of the white ink. So if the white ink, for example, the white ink is moved to the left or white ink moved to the right, back or forward, we need to do the calibration to be sure it's at the same position. So if we have an overlap, white ink overlap problem, we can go to here for calibration. we go to maintain and calibration. Then we go to the setting and extend it. We can see here this is the 1118 is for the horizontal and 1025 is for vertical. So if we have an overlap, wide angle overlap, we just need to adjust these two function, these two parameters to increase the number or reduce the number to be sure the vertical and horizontal of the white ink and color ink are printed on the same position. Actually, the number parameter we are test before delivery. So if you meet the problem for overlap white ink, you can just only need to little adjust for the parameter. Thank you.